On to the next problem for swimwear. I'm concerned about my camel toe. Now, girl, you are diving for those swimwears that has like this right here. The narrow type of portion is called the gusset, Gusset. You need to seek for something that is wider, that has more coverage right here, like this, or there's some that is wider. You need to seek for that gusset area to be a little bit wider or very wide, or opting for board shorts. I'm not sure what aesthetic you are looking for or what your body shape is, but you are definitely looking at the ones that are very, very narrow, and that is not. Let me see. We sure do still have. Let me turn this green screen off, because is this showing? No, it's not showing. All right, so here is what you need to be looking for. Something that has a classic type of fit. This area right here, let me pin it so I can kind of just demo. Can you guys hear me? Pulling on my shirt. I don't want it to be banging on my necklace. All right, so this right here is the gusset part, and this is where you need to have it wide, maybe even wider. That just all depends. But this portion right here, you're probably looking at the ones that are very, very narrow. I forgot what it's called. It's escaping my mind. And that is why you are probably having that camel toe. And also the tightness of your swimwear is another thing. You need to kind of just check on that. I know some of us are emotionally attached to a lot of our things, but that is another reason why you are having camel toe. Trying to be very realistic, and I like to be upfront, but if that's something that you just don't want to hear, maybe then I'm just not the girl for you or the stylist. All right, hope this was helpful.